Hello everyone. In the previous video, we have discussed about the inquiry section, but in this video, we will discuss about the member section. So in the particular member section, you can see all the details, the summarized version at the top, like the total members, active members, upcoming members, expired members, and the present members. And here at the bottom side, you can see the list of the members. All the members which you have inserted or inputted the details of the members will be shown here, and all the details like their due amount, their membership validation, status, gender, and what the membership they have taken, and the name of that member is shown in this particular section. Right now, you can see 3,659 is the due amount from the path. So you can directly contact path on the WhatsApp, on the phone, and you can also do the needful, like edit his profile. If you want to add something, if he pays the due, you can you can update from here. If Parth want to extend the date, if you want to extend the date, you can choose this option. You can renew the membership. You can add days on. You can transfer the membership, you can cancel out it, and you can delete the particular member from here, from the membership section. You can also use the search button to search out any particular member. You can filter out from here, from the range, like on the basis of year, month, weeks. And you can also add a particular member from this button. And yes, the same function is also done by this particular button, which is add button over here. So when you click on this add button, it will automatically revert to this particular page in which you have to mention the details of each and every member, the name, date, phone number, and the membership details, which is general training, personal training. You all have to mention this thing. So that's all the membership pages in the membership section. Hope you liked this video. So thank you for choosing GymForce. Have a great day.